Hey, what's up guys? It's Lydia here. Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do today's video, but special thanks and shout out to AQUIS for sponsoring this amazing video. So let's just dive right into what we're going to be doing and what I'm going to be talking about and what I'll be showing you guys. So today I'm going to be introducing the AQUIS Primer Kit. It's so cute. They send it in this super cute bag that says Hair Strong, and I'm going to get into what that statement means to them and to their company. But this is a 4-step kit and it is awesome. I've actually already used it once, but I'm going to use it again to show you guys how to do it, what I think of the products, and what the products are for. And so the whole AQUIS Primer Kit is a new approach to hair care. And I'm actually super excited for it, and I already love the products. Yeah, and I'm going to explain to you what they do, what their statement is, and what they're trying to create for their buyers. So like I said earlier, I'm going to put this down actually. Like I said earlier, AQUIS is awesome because they support being hair strong. You're asking, what is hair strong and what does that mean? It means they want you to embrace your natural, beautiful hair, and they also want to help to restore your hair so you can enjoy it in its full glory. And actually, this kit is not just for curly hair. It can also be for straight, wavy, curly hair, or very curly hair, which I think is awesome because it brings unity to the hair world, and I love it. But I obviously have curly hair, and this channel is designed and geared towards curly hair people, so if you have curly hair, this is also an amazing product, and it will help bring back your hair's natural strength and bring it to its full health. And that is the goal of being hair strong, and I think it's so cool. Also, another thing that AQUIS does is they bring awareness to high growth fatigue. So what happens when we hop in the shower, our hair, or the hair cuticle, the hair follicle actually expands, and the water can get inside and it actually can get trapped, but the water is left inside the hair and it actually can cause damage and breakage, which is what we want to try to avoid, to have healthy, strong, shiny, beautiful hair. And so all these products from AQUIS actually help to eliminate any high growth fatigue that can happen to any type of hair. So let's talk about all the products that I'll be using and that I'll be showing to you. Alright. The first product is called Water Defense Pre-Wash, and I'm going to take it out of the box for you so you can see what it is. So it actually is a spray-on that you do, and this is the first step in the kit, and what it basically does is it protects hair prior to water exposure. It fortifies the hair strand from the core of the hair to the outer cuticle of the hair. This also defends your hair from any moisture loss that can happen during cleansing. And the last thing is you will apply this about 2 minutes before wash so the product can really set into your hair and really protect each strand of hair. Alright, the next product, number 2, is called the Rebalancing Hair Wash. So this is what it looks like. It's basically just like a really clean, gentle cleanser. So what this basically does is it cleanses your hair from dirt and oil without stripping your hair from the natural oils that your hair needs, which is so key to hair care. This is a great product and I can't wait to show you guys how it works. So the third product in the AQUIS Prime system is the Rapid Dry Hair Turban. So the benefits of the hair turban is it reduces drying time to about 50%, which I think is amazing because I hate waiting for my hair to dry. It takes so long, and this towel was a lifesaver when I used it before. That's why I can't wait to show you guys the results of using it, because drying time is just so much faster with the AQUIS hair towel. Like, I swear by it, it's amazing. And also another benefit of this towel is it minimizes frizz and enhances shine, which I think every girl wants that, and even guy wants that, especially for curly hair because we're always finding a way to get rid of frizz. Even though I'm not a big hater of frizz, I don't mind it because I like volume. But the thing about all of these products, it helps with volume but eliminates frizz, which is amazing, which is a 2-in-1, and I love this system already, and I'm going to show you the fourth. Alright, so the fourth product in the AQUIS Prime system is the Restorative Leave-In Conditioner. Yes, it's not a regular conditioner, which at first I was like, what? Which is different for me because for curly hair, we're all about those deep conditioners and everything, but this is just a leave-in conditioner, and it in fact is also a spray, just like the pre-wash. The benefits of this is it actually locks in moisture without weighing your hair down or your curls down, which is a huge thing that I am so into and love. This also helps detangling, which is really cool because curly hair gets super tangled, and so we need all the help we can get. And you would use this right after drying your hair with the towel. And yeah, it's super simple, super easy. I love to use a lot of this product when I used it before, and I can't wait to show y'all how to use it. So without further ado, let me show you how to use all these products, and let's head to the shower. Alright guys, so this is the result of using the AQUIS Prime system, and I am literally so in love with the results, and I'm so impressed. I'm even more impressed than my first time. Like, the first time was good, but this time is like 2 times better. Like, it literally feels so good. My hair feels so light and bouncy, and it looks so shiny, and it literally looks so much longer, but it still has so much definition. Like, oh my god, like, I don't know how hair can feel healthy, but like, my hair feels healthy, which it's so amazing and so good. I'm just so pleased with the results of these products. Like, I love them. And so I'm just going to talk about one thing that I loved about each product that I used, and yeah. So with the first product, I used a lot of this product because my hair is really thick and honestly can be really dry, so I just put a buttload of this crap on, and it felt super good, and I just loved how moisturizing it felt even before I used the conditioner. Like, it's not a conditioner, but it felt like one, but it also protected my hair, which was awesome. So I'm really impressed with this product. I think it really made a difference for strengthening my hair and making my hair feel really healthy. So, loved it. And the rebalancing hair wash, the step 2 in the kit, this was just a really simple cleanser. Like, it just was super light. It really felt like it got the job done, and it kind of felt like it lathered a little bit, not a whole lot, but my hair really felt clean, which that's its job. I liked it a lot. Thumbs up from Lids. And the third step, the towel, which is probably my favorite piece of the whole thing, is because it dried my hair so fast, and you can see, like, there's no frizz. Like, maybe a little bit, but that's just natural because that just happens to curly hair, you know? But I'm just so in love with it. It literally gets the job so done, and I felt like it elongated my hair. It just helped the drying time so much. Like I said, my hair is almost fully dry, and I've only been out of the shower for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's crazy. I literally love this product. Literally am so impressed with AQUIS and your amazing brand. Love it. So this is my favorite, number 3. But anyway, get this. Please, please, please. You will not regret it, girls. You will not regret it. And the 4th, which is the Restorative Leave-In Conditioner. Wow. This product actually really worked and felt so natural, but it so worked. It didn't feel light and like not enough moisture, because, you know, our hair really needs that moisture, you know what I'm saying? And all hair does, but especially my curls. My hair can get really dry, and I was a little nervous because it was a spray on, but I'm actually so pleased with it. I am so happy with the results. I had to put a lot on, just like the pre-wash, but that's because I like my hair to feel really soft and bouncy, and this totally achieved that, and I'm so impressed with it. Like, oh, what? It's not like a creamy, thick leave-in. It gets the job done, but your hair feels light and bouncy, as you can see. And my hair looks so good, and it's getting drier and drier every single second. And also, I did use my favorite product right now, the Believe in Miracle Curl Plumper. I just used a little bit after. It's my favorite styling product from Diva Curl, and yeah, and so, and I just am in love with the AQUIS hair care versus the traditional hair care, because it protects your hair and it just helps your hair look so beautifully strong, and it helps to embrace your natural hair, which I'm all about. So if you have straight hair out there, wavy hair, curly hair, or very super curly hair, this product will work for you too. It's not limited just to curly hair, but if you have curly hair, this will help getting yourself back from damaged. Like, I know there's a lot of you who are watching that have bleached hair, they've straightened their hair a lot, there's heat damage, there's breakage. This is definitely the products that you are looking for to start out with, because it's so natural and so healthy for your hair, but also it's going to strengthen it over a long period of time, which I think is so cool. So I guess my overall impression of AQUIS is A++++, 100% amazing, awesome, because I'm actually not lying to you guys. Like, it works. It so works, and you can see the results for yourself. My hair looks so light and bouncy and fresh and shiny, and honestly just so beautiful, and this can be how your hair can look too. And I'm very pleased with the results. Thank you so much, AQUIS. These products are to die for, and I really encourage you guys, whoever is watching this video, to look up AQUIS. They have an Instagram, they have a website, you know, just search it, and the starter kit is really great priced for all the products that you're getting and the quality products that you're getting. So I super duper uber encourage you guys to check it out, and yeah, you really won't regret it. And I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys super enjoyed it. If you liked this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already joined this beautiful curly team, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I don't think you'll regret that either. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. You mean the world to me, and I love you all. And all the information, the products will be listed. So if you have any questions about that, first check that out. And if you have any additional questions, you know the drill. Just go ahead and type away and comment. But yeah, that is all. So thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time for more vids with lids.